Hello, my name is Berhel, and I've been a parishioner of St. Benedict since September 2022. I want to share how the Men's Renewal Retreat completely transformed my understanding of faith and purpose. Before attending, I kept my faith private, something personal between God and me that didn't need to be shared with others. That all changed when I witnessed the courage of the men at this retreat. Seeing how they boldly responded to God's call and openly shared their faith journey inspired me in ways I never expected. Through this experience, I discovered my true purpose as a man, husband, father, and most importantly, as a servant of God. This clarity has given me a completely new perspective on life, and I'm now committed to living according to this deeper truth. To every man, I strongly encourage you to join us for the upcoming retreat on October 25 to 26. This isn't just another weekend event. It's an opportunity for genuine spiritual renewal that will challenge and inspire you to become the man that God is calling you to be. You'll find yourself surrounded by brothers in faith who understand the unique challenge we face as men in today's world. Together, we'll grow stronger in our role as leaders in our families and communities. Under the guidance and inspiration of St. Joseph, the greatest earthly father and our model of faithful manhood, come and experience what God has in store for you. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Your family, your community, and most importantly, your soul will thank you. St. Joseph, Pillar of Families, pray for us. Thank you.